ಕ್ರಶ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆ. ದಾಖಲಾತಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ.
Where questions are encouraged and where young hearts are inspired to dream beyond boundaries. Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. A pleasant morning to everyone present here as we step into the long-awaited school annual day for the year 2025-26 of our institutions, a day that celebrates the spark of creativity, talent, and excellence that has been nurtured throughout the year. On this esteemed occasion, we are honored to have among us Mr. Alan Lewis, Secretary of Christ Education Trust Karkala, as the President of the function, Mr. K. Kamalaksha Kamal, Chartered Accountant Karkala, as the Chief Guest, Mrs. Prabhavati, Headmistress, Government Primary School, Kudabettu Mala, Mr. Anand Pujari, District Level Best Physical Education Teacher Awardee and Physical Director at Government Primary School, Kodakke Ivattur, Mrs. Prema Chatanna, Principal, BEM School, Painur, as our guest of honors, Dr. Sister Charlotte Sikhlera, a proud counselor of Christ Institutions, Mrs. Josna Snehalata, Headmistress, Christ English Medium High School, Karkala, Mr. Radhakishore Lobo, Headmaster, Christ Higher Primary School, Karkala, Dr. Prakash Bhatt, Vice Principal, Christ PU College, Karkala, Mr. Kiran Rasta, Administrative Officer, Christ Institutions, Mr. Sharita Maranna, PTA President, Christ High School Section. With immense joy and gratitude, I welcome all the shining personalities who grace this occasion with their presence. Prayer is the strongest shield in times of difficulty, the healing balm in moments of illness, and the most precious gift we can offer to those we care for. As our heart unites in gratitude, let the voices of a student rise in a melodious prayer song. May I now invite our school choir to lead us into a prayer song.
ಜ್ಞಾನದೇಗುಲದಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುವೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ. ಜ್ಞಾನದೇಗುಲದಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವನಲ್ಲಿ
for bringing God's divine presence and blessings on us. Dance is the purest language of the soul, spoken without words but felt by everyone. Let's begin the celebration with energy and elegance. Please welcome our talented dancers on stage for the vibrant welcome dance. innovation, and strong values, with a vision to prepare prepare students for the challenges of the future, the school seamlessly blends academics with the technology, creativity, and character building. Guided by committed educators and progressive teaching methodologies, the school focuses on the holistic development, nurturing intellectual growth, discipline, leadership, and social responsibility. Our school stands proud as an institution that inspires excellence and empowers students to become confident, responsible, and future-ready citizens. Christ King School also provides an enriching environment where every child is encouraged to explore, learn, and excel. Thank you, ma'am, for escorting the dignitaries. We are extremely delighted to have the intellectual personalities on the days. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, and celebrating together is a joy. I look around this stage and feel honored to witness such an incredible gathering of brilliant minds today. Now, I request Mrs. Asha Jyoti, Assistant Teacher, to welcome the special invitees and gathering of the program.
A warm and pleasant morning to all. Education is a movement from darkness to light. Today, as we gather under the glimmering lights of our school hall, we celebrate that very journey of growth, talent, and achievement. I feel privileged to welcome all the dignitaries on the stage. It is a distinct honor to welcome the president of today's program, the secretary of Christ King Institutions Karkala, Mr. Aulen Lewis, sir, for his untiring zeal and commitment in the growth of the institution. Hearty welcome to you, sir. We are pleased to have an extraordinary personality as the chief guest of today's program, Mr. K. Kamalaksha Kamath, Chartered Accountant Karkala. It is a privilege to introduce and welcome someone whose life's work is defined by service and compassion. You have dedicated yourself to the belief that every individual deserves a voice and a chance. Please join me welcoming a true change maker. Gracious welcome to you, sir. We are overjoyed to have the distinguished personalities, Mrs. Prabhavati, Headmistress, Government Primary School, Kudabettu, Mala. Ma'am, we appreciate and acknowledge your services in the field of education. On this occasion, we are glad to have you with us. Hearty welcome to you, ma'am. We have with us another notable personality, Mrs. Prema Jatanna, Principal, BM School, Bailur, with many years of experience in the field of education. Ma'am has dedicated her life to the noble pursuit of shaping young minds. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. We are honored to have Mr. Anand, District Level Best Physical Education Teacher Award winner, Government Primary School, Kolake Irvaturu, a mentor who leads by example on and off the field. Sir, we are happy to have you today. A warm welcome to you, sir. It is my proud privilege to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our beloved Dr. Sister Charlotte Sequeira, a proud counselor who has always been a source of inspiration and guidance to our institution. Sister, your dedication and tireless efforts have helped shape the minds and character. We are truly grateful for your presence. Cheerful welcome to you, sister. The backbone of all the events and the untold story behind all the success goes to the heads of the institution. Dr. Prakash Bhatt, Vice Principal, PU Section; Mrs. Josna Snehalata, Headmistress of High School Section; Mr. Rudolph Kishore Lobo, Headmaster of Primary Section; Mr. Kiran Kasta, Administrative Officer. We are glad to have you today and add color to the celebration. Hearty welcome to you all. We are indeed delighted and glad to have among us Mrs. Sherita Norana, PTA President of High School Section. We appreciate your presence in order to encourage and uphold our students on behalf of all the parents. Warmest welcome to you, ma'am. I extend a warm welcome to all our parents. Your support inspires us to service for excellence in nurturing our students. Cheerful welcome to you all. I sincerely and gratefully welcome all our teaching and non-teaching staff and all our students for their enthusiastic and energetic presence. Hearty welcome to you all. Let us all enjoy, celebrate the spirit of achievement together. Have a great day. I request our headmistress, Mrs. Josna Snehalata, welcome the guests with a flower as a token of love and appreciation.
Thank you, ma'am. As we have welcomed all our esteemed dignitaries, we now extend a heartfelt welcome to our beloved headmistress, Mrs. Josna Snehalata. Heartily welcome you, ma'am. I request our administrative officer, Mr. Kiran Krasta, to offer a flower as a token of our love. Thank you, sir. It's my profound honor and privilege to welcome our visionary leader and our guiding force, our esteemed headmistress, Mrs. Josna Snehalata, to kindly enlighten us with the annual report of the school.
Secretary, Christ King Education Trust, esteemed chief guest of the day, Kamalaksha Kamath, Chartered Accountant, Karkala, K. Prema Chaitanya, Principal BEM School, Karkala, Mr. Ananda Pujari, District Best Level Physical Education Teacher Award Winner, Kolake Irvaturu, Mrs. Prabhavati, Headmistress, GHPS Kudabittu Mala, other dignitaries on and off the dais, invitees, well-wishers, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. It's with immense pride and joy that I stand before you to present the annual report of the Christ King English Medium High School, Karkala, for the academic year 2025-26. This year has been a testament to our collective resilience and dedication. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure, says Colin Powell. As we share the yearly updates, we take the modesty to say that we did our level best to do as we had planned, and we are proud of our students and teachers who have strived hard to achieve beyond expectations. The Christ King Education Trust was founded by late Reverend Father F.P.S. Moniz. Currently, Evelyn Lewis serves as the Secretary of the Trust, while Dr. Peter Fernandez, Principal of Alvas Engineering College, Mr. Walter D'Souza and Miss Lucy Dilima serve as the co-trustees. The school management provides the infrastructure, encouragement, and influential support necessary to ensure the institution continues marching ahead in all avenues of the school functioning. Christ King family. The Christ King family comprises well-trained teaching staff and supporting staff, including clerical personnel, security, bus drivers, and assistants. Currently, we have 460 students enrolled in high school, with 152 in class 8th, 146 in class 9th, and 160 in class 10th. We duly appreciate the tremendous cooperation on the part of everyone associated with the institution who have strived hard to give the best to mold our students to work hard to make their dreams and aspirations come true. Parent-Teachers Association meeting was established for the year 2025-26 and 20 members was selected, and Mrs. Sharita Noruna was elected as the president of PTA of high school. PTA meetings are held at regular intervals to review the activity of the school and academic progress of the students and seek parents' participation and feedback. The PTA, through its numerous activities and support, make positive contribution for the growth of the institution and for the all-round development of the students. Their valuable feedback has been always helpful and appreciated. I extend our thanks to the PTA President, Mrs. Sharita Norona, and all the members for their support. Academic performance of the students. At Christ King High School, it's our aim not only to pursue academic excellence, but also to motivate our students to be lifelong learners, critical thinkers, and productive members of an ever-changing global society. We aim to nurture the talents, skills, and abilities of each student and provide them a platform to think, express, and exhibit their skills. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself, says John Dewey. Result in 10th grade, excellent achievement with English as the first language. Prakriti P. Gudigar secured 624 marks as the second rank in the state. Adishri M. Acharya secured 618 marks and the 8th rank at the state level. 54 students achieved distinction. Detailed report. In this year's 10th grade result, the institution has once again achieved stupendous results. Prakriti P. Gudigar, a student of the institution, secured 624 out of 625 marks and earned the second rank in the state. Adishri M. Acharya secured 618 marks and earned the 8th rank in the state. Key statistics, 11 students secured more than 100 marks out of 125 who appeared for the exam. 54 students passed with distinction, 71 students passed in first class, 3 students passed in second class. 97 of the students who appeared for the institution passed in first or higher. A total of 54 students secured a distinction. Above 600 mark students, Prakriti P. Gudigar 624, Adishri M. Acharya 618, Slita Primal Fernandez 613, Sudiksha J 613, Anaga Rao 608, Ananya A 606, Ketan D'Souza 606, Meghavi M 605, Viola 605, Ananya B 604, Princeton Mendonza 601. We congratulate all the commendable achievers for they have made us pride and they have taken the flag of the Christ King to great height. We are also grateful and thankful to the faculty members for their dedication and hard work in achieving the remarkable result. Student Council election. School conducted the election for the Student Council through the electronic media with 100% transparency and impartiality. Master Parthiv of class 10th was elected as school people leader. The other office bearer were as follows. Parthiv was elected as school people leader. Jordan was elected as assistant school captain. Shanam Fatima as the president and Tanush R. Devadiga as the secretary of science club. Amrit Shettigar president and Sanvi S. Kutian secretary of sports club. Zubaida bint Zaid as the president and Lakshanya PR as the secretary of the Interact Club, Rishon Fernandez as the president and Sanvi H. Shetty as the secretary of Literary Club, Slania Noruna as the president and Shrita Jain as the secretary of Cultural Club, Arush Shetty as the president, Rachel D'Souza as the secretary of Discipline Committee. Major institutional programs and accomplishments. Now let us have a glimpse of the programs that marks the school calendar this year. World Environment Day celebration. World Environment Day was celebrated on June 5th, 2025 at the premises of the Nitte Gram Panchayat under the joint auspices of the Forest Department, Kundapura Division, Mudubidri Subdivision and the Karkala Range Forest Department. Tahsildar Pradeep attended as the chief guest. On June 21st, 2025, World Yoga Day was celebrated. Vinayak Kudwa, a member of Sri Patanjali Yoga Shikshana Samiti Karkala was the chief guest. Student Council University ceremony was held on 11th July 2025. Reverend Father Paul Coutinho, Catholic priest of Palatine Congregation and also parish priest of Saint Teresa Church, Bajagoli, inaugurated the Student Council. The elected members of the Student Council made their commitment to the oath-taking ceremony dictated by the headmaster of primary section, Mr. Rudolph Kishar Lobo, keynote address by Mrs. Josna Snehilata, headmistress of high school section. The inauguration of the grooming class, an innovative concept introduced for the students of the institution, along with the release of its textbook and the opening of the kitchen lab took place at the institution's auditorium. Jayaprakash Hegde, former member of parliament for the Udupi Chikmagaluru constituency and former minister of the government of Karnataka, attended as the chief guest and released grooming textbook. Reverend Father Clement Mascarenhas, the parish priest of Christ King Church, inaugurated the kitchen lab. Dr. Peter Fernandez, a member of the Christ King Education Trust, presided over the event. Installation ceremony of the new Interact Club. The installation ceremony of the newly formed Interact Club of the high school division was held in the institution auditorium. Presiding officer, Rotarian Naveen Chandra Shetty, president of the Rotary Club of Karkala, presided over the program. Anti-Drug Day awareness rally in collaboration with Karkala Town Police Station on the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse. An awareness rally was organized under the leadership of Karkala Town Police Station in association with the Pre-University College, the Rovers and Rangers Unit and the High School Section Scouts and Guides Unit. Felicitation for 10th standard and 2nd PU rank winners. The ceremony was organized to honor the student who secured top rank in the state level SLC and 2nd PUC examination. Awareness program, Child Protection and Health. An awareness program regarding health protection, children's rights and personal safety was organized for high school and pre-university students under the encouragement of the Child Protection Committee of the institution. Mrs. Nagaratna Nayak, the district Child Protection Officer, attended the event as the chief guest. Senior Medical Officer Dr. Shama Shukur provided the information on the ill effect of drug consumption, mobile addiction and ways to overcome these issues and adolescents. On August 5th, a study tour was organized for students of 8th and 9th. Additionally, during the month of August, a tour was organized for 10th standard students to Manipal Anatomy Museum, Village Heritage and Udaya Aluminium Industry. On 26, 2025, a training session was conducted for student scientists from our institution by a team from Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, in collaboration with Alwas Institution. September 6, the Department of Education conducted the Taluk level seminar and science drama competition. Zumeida of class 10th participated in Taluk level seminar competition. Achu, Srisha Prabhu, Rachel, Lenisha Mendoons of class 10th and Smriti of class 8 secured second place in Taluk level science drama competition. Our high school scout students secured first place in Taluk and district Geeta Gayana competition and won second place in division level competition. Winners list: Srisha Prabhu, Arjun, Tanmay Shetty, Omkar, Galvin, Dishan Shetty, Jordan and Saurav. On October 10th, 44 students participated in a bird watching study at Kabinale Forest, Ebri. It was organized by the Forest Department for the 7th Wildlife Week. The Rural IT Quiz conducted a science quiz competition in Udupi. Kelson and Omkar of class 10th won the second prize. At the district level, Kelson won the first prize and participated in division level at Mysore. On November 14th, 2025, Children's Day, Science Club organized science exhibition for the students. On 22nd 11/2025, the Education Department conducted the Taluk level science model competition for the high school students organized by Christ King Education Institutions. Karkala, Bhavish won the third prize in computer science category. An account of World Space Week, the UR Rao Satellite Center, ISRO, Bengaluru, organized a few competitions for high school students at Viveka PU College, Kota, Kundapura. Varun Kamath and Suhan from 9 secured the third prize in quiz competition. Dishan Shetty from class 9 won the first prize in the memory test. Shruta Jain won third prize in memory test and Pick and Speak third prize. Sinchana from class 9th received a consolation prize in the memory test and Serena Lobo from class 9th received a consolation prize in the drawing competition. Empowering the next generation, Christ King Institution recently conducted a free 2 days workshop on artificial intelligence, robotics and Internet of Things, guided by Dr. Guru Prasad, Senior Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronic Communication Engineering, Alwas Institute of Engineering and Technology, and their dedicated team. The event was attended by both internal students and students from neighboring schools. Our students participated in Python Payana, a one-day intensive coding workshop focused on Python. The session was experimentally handled by a team of students from Alwas Engineering College. We are committed to excellence in education, offering specialized coaching classes for competitive exams like PUCET, CET, NEET, and a very affordable cost. December 23rd, 2025, a Taluk level Pratibha Karanchi was conducted by Education Department, organized by Christ King Institution. I proudly says, wherever Christ King students participated in the sports events, they bagged the prizes either in Taluk, district or in the state level. The following list of the students will prove it right. Sports annual report, chess. Sohan Bandari of 10th standard secured first place in Taluk level and participated in district level competition. Varun Kamath of 9th standard secured first place in Taluk level and participated in the district level competition. Akshita of 10th standard secured first place in Taluk level and participated in district level competition. Maulia of 8th standard won first place in Taluk and participated in the district level. Swimming, Sean D'Souza of 9th standard won gold medal in 500 meter freestyle swimming and won 2 silver medal in the district level competition. Table tennis, The high school boys team secured second place at the taluk level. Additionally, Tanmay of 9th standard, Amrut, Ashwin Saldana, Anu Shetty of class 10th, Sean of 9th participated in the district level competition. Athletics, Smriti Shetty of 8th standard secured second place in cluster level high jump, participated in taluk level competition. Nitish Kumar of 10th standard secured bronze medal in taluk level. Lakshani of class 9 secured bronze medal in discus throw in taluk level competition. Sangam Bangira of 10th standard won gold medal in taluk level and participated in the district level competition. Muzamil of 9th standard won gold medal and participated in the district level high jump competition. Srijan Salian of 10th won gold in taluk level and participated in the district level discus throw competition. Karate. Daniel of 10th standard, Abdul Safan of 10th standard, Lakshani of 9th standard secured silver medal in taluk level. Ayushri and Sanvi Nayak of 9th standard secured gold medal in taluk level and participated in the district level competition. Shagun Verma Hegde of 9th standard secured silver medal in taluk level competition. Cricket. Saurabh of class 8, Tanmay of 9th standard, Parthiv, Amrit, Vinay, Shreyas, Abdul Hanan, Gagan, Manvit of 10th standard selected for the Karkala Taluk team and participated in the district level cricket tournament. Shuttle badminton, the high school boys team emerged as a winner of both the Taluk and the district level. They also secured second place at the division level. Team members Gaurav, Pratham, Shobitach, Achu of 10th standard and Galvin of 9th standard. Girls team, Kushi Shetty along with her team won first place at both the Taluk and district level. They also participated in the division level matches. Football. Girls football team secured first place in Taluk level and second place in the district level match. They participated in Mysore division level match held at Kudagu. The players Diya Pol, Sridhar Rao, Kanishka and Pavani of 8th standard. Wrestling. Lenisha Mendonça and Rachel D'Souza of 10th standard secured gold medal in Taluk level and second place in district level. Ritu and Sanvi of class 9 secured first place in Taluk level and secured third place in district level. Volleyball, Shagun S. Wama Hegde, Shiny D'Souza, Kartika Shetty, Ashika of 9 and Vidyashri Kirtano of class 10th and Sanvi of 8th standard secured first place at Taluk level and district level and participated in Mysore division level volleyball tournament. State level achievers, Shiny D'Souza of 9th standard in 100-meter freestyle swimming won silver medal and participated in state level. Dhruvit of 8th standard won gold medal in Taluk and district and participated in state level wrestling. Aishwari of 8th standard won gold medal in Taluk and district level table tennis and participated in state level competition. Abish of 8th standard won gold medal in Taluk and district level and participated in state level athletic 400 meters. National level achievers, Sudiksh of class 8 won gold medal in Taluk, district and state and participated in national level. International level. In the area of sports, this year has been historic. It is my distinct honor to announce a milestone that has put our school on the global map. For the first time in our history, we celebrate an international sports achiever. Shagun Verma Hegde of class 9 has not only represented India but has been appointed as a captain of the Indian under-15 girls volleyball team. You have made the tricolor fly high. Cultural and literary competition. Karnataka Sahitya Academy organized various competitions for high school students in Mangaluru. our students participated and won overall championship trophy, and the list as follows: Lenisha Mendonza and Sanvi Martis won the Best MC Award, Wilshire D'Souza, Rachel D'Souza, Slania Norona, Kelson, Janessa of class 10th, Jordan D'Souza, Galvin, Joel, Sherena, Sean D'Souza of class 9, Sanvi Norona of class 9, Adeline and Sia of class 8. Apurva, who is currently in the 8th standard, was a finalist in the Dance Drama Junior Season 5 and Z Kannada. She is known as Expression Queen. She continues to participate in various events. Smriti Shetty of class 8, Lenisha Mendonza and Sanvi Martis of class 10th are participated in final round in speech competition organized by Daiichi World Competition TV, an event namely Avivyakta Nanna Dwani Nanna Shakti, and Sanvi Martis of 10 selected in the final round. Pratibha Karanji, Akshar of class 9th, secured first place in cluster, taluk and district level and selected for the state level lyrical song competition. K. Stuti Puranik secured first place in cluster level, second place in taluk level competition in Samskrita Dharmika Patana. Muhammad Aishan Akbar secured second place in Arabic Dharmika Patana. Rachel Zubeda Achu of 10th, Anaga, Muhammad Aishan and Akshar from 9th secured second place in taluk level Qawwali competition. As we took ahead, we remain committed to excellence and innovation in all our endeavors. A landmark year of victory for the Christ King as we secured championship trophies at taluk, district, state, national and international level. From taluk to the world stage, Christ King continues its reign as champions in sports, cultural and literal activities. Before I conclude my annual report, I bow in gratitude to the Lord Almighty who has blessed us abundantly and made all these accomplishments possible. He has blessed us, guided us, and protected us in every walks of our life. I am also thankful to the management for all their untiring support and valuable guidance without expecting anything in return. They have been with us in every functioning of the school. I am on the behalf that I have mentioned some of the achievements of the students, intellectual, but the way is long to go. As I thank the management, PTA and all the faculty, I also took forward your support and cooperation in the days to come. As we took ahead, we remain committed to excellence and innovation in all our endeavors. Together, let us continue to inspire our students to dream big and achieve even more in the years to follow. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for the detailed and inspiring annual report. It truly reflects the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our school throughout the year. Discipline is the architect of greatness and is built on the foundation of courage. While we honor the talents and creativity in cultural activities, let's remember these words. The real greatness comes not from perfection, but from the resilience to rise after every setback. Now, I call upon Mrs. Ashwini Pai, Assistant Teacher, to read out the prize winners list of Grade 8th.
Good morning, everyone. The prize winner list of Grade 8. May I request our Chief Guest, Mr. K. Kamalaksh Kamath, to kindly honor the winners by presenting the prizes. Diya Shetty, Hindi speech first, Hindi essay first, English speech first, English essay second. Shruti Kes Rao, quiz first, Kannada essay first, English essay first, English speech third. Asni D'Souza, Kannada speech first, English speech second, Kannada essay second, drawing second. Vishmita, Rangoli first, folk dance first. Sani and Suvarna, craft second, folk dance second. Shrita Rao, Kannada lyrical song second, folk dance third. Smiti Shetty, Kannada speech second, Rangoli third. Thank you, sir. I respectfully request Dr. Sister Celeste Siqueira, proud counselor of Christ King Institution, to give away the prizes to the winners. Sarthak Suresh Shetty, quiz first. Satvik Shanai, quiz first. Pranvi, natural bouquet first. Diya Paul, Kannada lyrical song first. Nagesh Bhatt, quiz the second. Bhavish, quiz the second. Aisha Fida, drawing first. Thank you, sister. May I request our guest of honor, Mrs. Prabhavati, Headmistress Government Primary School, Kudpettu Mala, to kindly distribute the prizes. Advait DV, quiz the second. Akash, Hindi speech second, Hindi essay second. Kanishka, craft second. Sanvi V. Kotyan, natural bouquet second. Sia Fernandez, Kannada speech third. Sayed Sadia, Hindi essay third. Gautami V. Shetty, Kannada essay third. Anvita Acharya, natural bouquet third. Nisha, English essay third. Vilriya Danti, craft third. Jewel Putino, Hindi speech third. Purti Rao, Kannada lyrical song third. Manya Devadiga, drawing third. Thank you, madam. I congratulate all the prize winners. Once again, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Guided by the inspiring presence of our chief guest, let us reflect these words. Success is when your name moves from paper to the hearts of people. It's a great indeed to have a resplendent personality amidst us. He is none other than our chief guest, Mr. K. Kamalaksha Kamath, Chartered Accountant, Karkala. Now I request Mrs. Swati, Assistant Teacher, to introduce the chief guest to the audience.
It is my profound pleasure and honor to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Kamalaksha Kamath, a well-known chartered accountant, Karkala. He was born on December 6, 1947, the son of renowned lawyer of Karkala, Sri Vasudeva Kamath and Ramabai Kamath. He completed his education at Government Main School and Board High School in Karkala and obtained his commerce degree from Bhuvanendra College. Later, he learned practical CA training under guidance of his uncle Santaya Srinivas Kamath and appeared for examination at Sydenham College, Mumbai. As that time, only about 6% of candidates across the country used to pass CA examination. Clearing this CA exam in 1973 was a result of his talent, dedication and hard work. He completed 2 years of initial service at one of the Bahrain's prestigious construction and contracting company. Later, he served as the chief accountant at American Express Bank, Bahrain, where his talents and professional skills were well organized. He served for 7 years as Vice President of Finance and Administration Department at the head office of United Gulf Bank, Bahrain. He later rendered 17 years of distinguished service as Assistant General at Bahrain and Kuwait General Insurance Company. This stands as a true statement to his professional leadership, work ethic and the excellence achievement in his career. From 2007 to 2012, he served as Director of Armor Insurance Company and Assure Consulting by enhancing his finance expertise. Altogether, he takes pride in having rendered nearly 40 years of dedicated service across various companies in Bahrain. After stepping into retirement, he continued his journey quietly without seeking any publicity. A generous and humble individual, he firmly believes in the principle that the right hand should not know what the left hand gives. He dedicated a significant portion of his hard-earned wealth to many educational institutions, temples and other charitable causes. Without expecting any reward in return, he has helped countless people. Today, he is honored and admired by all as the Karna of Karkala. We pray that the Almighty blesses him with a long life and good health and continued strength to carry forward his noble inspiring deeds. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite our chief guest, Mr. K. Kamalaksha Kamath, Chartered Accountant Karkala, to step forward and enlighten us with your valuable insights.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmahe Sri Guru Namaha. The sacred way in which every moment is spent will determine the fruitfulness of the year. God's love is like lighthouse beacon. Divert the boat of your life towards the lighthouse of divine love. You are then bound to reach the shore of bliss. Through love, we must seek to serve all and enjoy the divine bliss. When you embark on service with the Spirit, the whole world becomes your home. Namasmarana is the easiest path to God realization. It is the boat that will take people across the ocean of mundane existence. Constant contemplation on the form of the Lord and frequent repetition of His name are the means by which the heart is filled with the love of God. We are all containers of divine love. Share it, spread it, and express that love in acts of service, words of sympathy, and thoughts of compassion, says Samartha Sadguru Shirdi Sai Baba. He is my Guru, and today is his day. May Sai Baba bless all of you profusely and always keep you happy and healthy. Respected President, Mr. Alvin Lewis, Secretary, Saint King Educational Institution, Guest of Honor, respected Mrs. Premlata Jathanna, respected Mrs. Prabhavati, respected Mr. Anand Pujari, all the other respected and distinguished people on the dais, in front of the dais, all the respected teachers, parents, ladies and gentlemen, and loving children. I am very happy, pleased and delighted to be here in Christ King English Medium High School. It is very renowned, well-known, prestigious, reputed educational institution in Karkal. It has become the talk of the town, the household name. You have excellent management, dynamic, very competent, capable headmistress, assisted by all very hardworking, very dedicated, devoted, sincere teachers. That's why the school has become like this. At the very outset, I wish to pay my glowing and magnificent tribute to this school. You are very lucky and fortunate that you are having your education here. You have all the opportunities, all the amenities here. Use it fully to the best of your ability. Study well. Education is of paramount importance. Without education, nothing can be done. Vidya heenam pashu samanam. ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಉಳ್ಳವನ ಮುಖವು ಮುದ್ದು ಬರುವಂತಿಕ್ಕು ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲದವನ ಬರಿಮುಖವು ಹಾಳೂರು ಹದ್ದಿನಂತಿಕ್ಕು ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ವಿದೌಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫರ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ನೆವರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಂಡರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೀಟ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೇ. Education is very important. At the same time, you have to participate in all the activities and be a talented and a versatile student. Then only this education will shine. Participate in all the activities of the school. Do not fear. You should never fear. Do not worry about the winning and losing. I have said this before and I am saying it again. Winning and losing is not important. In both ways, you will be benefited. If you win, you will get inspiration. If you lose, you get experience. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. The defeat is not when you fall down. Defeat is when you fail to get up. The person who falls and gets up is so much stronger than a person who has never fallen. Swami Vivekananda says you have all the powers within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in this. Do not believe that you are weak. Stand up and show that divinity. Express the divinity within yourself. Two biggest enemies that you have is fear and anger. Both you should take out from your system now in your childhood days if you want to be a talented and if you want to be a versatile student. Fear and anger will destroy you completely. That's why you have to give up these two when you are young. Otherwise, it will later on, it will be very, very difficult. Swami Vivekananda says, you should never get angry in your life. Anger means drinking poison yourself and expecting the other person to die. Then he says, this word belongs to the heroes. The word is enjoyed by the heroes. It is the unfailing truth. Be a hero. Tell the whole world that you have no fear. Fear is death, fear is hell, fear is sin, fear is unrighteousness, fear is long life. All the negative thoughts and ideas in this world have proceeded from the evil spirit of fear. Give up fear, give up anger, and see how you will glow. You will sprout, you will shine, you will blossom, you will outshine others, you will shine like a star, and you will celebrate. This is very, very important. Along with this, you should also develop your character. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಬದುಕಿನ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂದೂ ಎಡವಲು ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂದೂ ಕೆಡಲು ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. Building up of character is the fundamental aim of education. Education does not mean teach the people what they do not know. It means to teach them to behave as they do not behave. States are built not from rocks and trees, but from the characters of their citizens. You have to master all the sterling qualities of head and heart. You have to be simple, meek, modest, humble, egoless, prideless, compassionate, benevolent, beneficent, upright, generous, kind, magnanimous. Of all the qualities, humility and kindness are of paramount importance. Humility is the hallmark of true education, says Swami Vivekananda. Humility is the foundation of all the virtues, says Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Humility is one of the greatest virtues of the culture, says Samartha Sadguru Shirdi Sai Baba. Similarly, kindness. You have to be kind with the people. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in this world, no matter how you look. Kind words are easy to say, but its echoes are endless. Kindness is a language which a blind can see and a deaf can hear. So be always kind to the people. That is very, very important. Mahatma Gandhi says, live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. What a wonderful statement he made. The first aspect is, life is too short and uncertain. So be always kind to the people. Be always compassionate and humble. Love ever, serve ever, hate never, hurt never. Let that be the philosophy of your life. Life is too short to wake up in regrets. The second part is, learning is an unending exercise. The whole lifetime we have to learn. The greatest lesson that I have learnt in life is that I have yet to learn a lot. Sarvajna, how did he become Sarvajna? ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನೆಂಬವನು ಗರ್ವದಿಂದಾದವನೇ, ಸರ್ವರೊಳಗೊಂದೊಂದು ನುಡಿಗಲಿತು ವಿದ್ಯಾದ ಪರ್ವತವೇ ಆದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. We have to learn from everyone. Even from a child we have to learn. So remember this always and follow this in your life. Learn as much as you can. A student asked a wise man, "Sir, please tell me which field I could make a good best career." He looked at him, smiled and said, "Be a good human being." There is plenty of scope in this area and no competition. So be a good human being. Anything that you do from a kind heart, from a loving heart, from a pure heart and mind, that becomes successful, whatever you touch. So follow all this and develop your communication skill, better speaking, better thinking and better listening. These are very important. Your speech should rain nectar. You should be a powerful speaker. How to communicate with your teacher, how to communicate with your parents, how to communicate with your friends. All these things you should learn in your childhood days. If you see the world with the vision of love, the whole world becomes so beautiful. If you have positive eyes, you love the whole world. If you have a positive tongue, the whole world will love you. So learn to speak well. Thirdly, always respect your teachers. When we were studying, for us, teachers were not less than gods. You always be obedient to them. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಿ, ಆದರಿಸಿ, ಸತ್ಕರಿಸಿ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ, ಪೂಜಿಸಿ ನೀವು. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವು ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿಯಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. The day you conquer and capture the hearts of your teachers and carve a permanent place for you in their heart, then I must say that you have excelled as a student and you are a student per excellence. ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಅರಿತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್. You always remember their love and sacrifice for you. The mother cannot be present everywhere. God cannot be present everywhere. That's why God has created the mother. Similarly, the father, he works so hard to give you good education and good samskara. So until your lifetime, you should never ever forget your parents. One thing I tell you, if you sideline your parent, if you disrespect your parent, if you don't look after them, however qualified you may be, however educated you may be, however rich you may be, affluent you may be, you will never come up in life. Remember this always. The fall is so fatal, one day you will never be able to get up. Even the God will not come to your rescue. So remember this always and follow these ideals and principles. God, you should always remember. ನಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೇವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ದೇವರನ್ನು ನೆನೆಯುವುದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ದೇವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಬೇಕು. Surrender to Him completely, prostrate before Him reverentially, love Him wholeheartedly, worship Him faithfully, meditate on Him constantly, chant His name ceaselessly and see what He does. You should have profound, unflinching, implicit, unswerving, unwavering, strong, firm, unbreakable, unshakable faith in God. Steadfast love in God is the gateway to eternity. He will fulfill all your wishes. The belief in God is one of the greatest strength. That He will turn our struggles into strength, fear into faith, and our battles into blessings. So always remember God. Be virtuous and righteous in every respect. Then see how your life blossoms. You have to be a model to others. You have to be an ideal student. Everybody should respect you. Everybody should say, such a wonderful student, look at him, how wonderful and very strong and courageous student he is, a versatile student he is. Such a name you should bring to your school, to your parents, to your teachers and everybody. I am sure that if you do not follow all the principles and ideals of our life, you will live so long as you breathe, but you reduce yourself to the level of beasts, never gaining that joy of having lived from the cradle to the grave. So be a talented and also a versatile student. I congratulate all the students today who got the awards and wish them every success in all their future endeavors. I am extremely grateful and thankful to the management here for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to address all of you. I thank you from the depth of my heart for giving me a patient hearing. I sincerely pray, mighty Lord, ever merciful Karkal Sri Venkatramana, and also the great Lord, the ever merciful, compassionate Jesus Christ, and Samartha Sadguru Shirdi Sai Baba to bless all of you bountifully and abundantly and bestow on you health, happiness, peace, prosperity, infinite joy, everlasting contentment, invaluable peace and happiness and long life. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and thought-provoking speech. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. We feel honor and privilege to welcome Mrs. Prabhavati, Headmistress, Government Primary School, Kudabettu Mala, a respected educationist who is known for her committed leadership and selfless service in the field of education, playing a vital role in shaping young minds and nurturing the future of our nation. I now respectfully invite Madam to address the gathering.
ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಅಲ್ವಿನ್ ಲೂಯಿಸ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೇಮಲತಾ ಜತನ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ, ಪ್ರೌಢ ಹಾಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೇಮಲತಾ ಜತನ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಳಕೆ ಇರುವತ್ತೂರು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆನಂದ್ ಸರ್, ಹಾಗೆ PTA ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಶರಿಕಾ ಇವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅನೇಕ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಅವರ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವ ಸಾಧನೆಗೈದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರೆರೆಯುವಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್, ಹಾಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದೆ. ಕೆಲವರಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾದವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಯಾವ ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಓದು ಹೇಳುವುದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಮಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಯೂ ನಿಂತು ಆ ಮಗು ಆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೋಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೊದಲಿದಾಗಿ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅದೇ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಡುಪಿಯವರು ಬರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಉಳಿದದು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವರಾದರೂ ಒಂದು IAS IPS ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಯೋಗ ಭಾಗ್ಯಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ 1-2-3 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾದರೂ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಕೆಲವಷ್ಟು ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನಾನು ಪೋಷಕರಿದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಳೋದು, ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆ ಮಗು ಸಂತಸಪಟ್ಟು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗದೇ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಮಾಜಮುಖಿ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಏನೇ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಪಡೀಲಿ ಅದು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಿತಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಪಡೆದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯಾಗಿ ನೀಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪಡೆದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಸರು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಾಲೂಕಿಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತರುವಂತಾಗಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನೀಡುವ ಅವಕಾಶ ಒದಗಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳಿಗೆ ಪೂರ್ಣ ವಿರಾಮ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you, ma'am, for your thoughtful words. The purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. Now it's the time to give due recognition to the aptitude and acumen of our brimming students, future leaders of society. I call upon Mrs. Sushmita, assistant teacher, to read out the prize winners list of grade 9th.
Following are the prize winners of class 9. I kindly request the students to come forward to receive their prizes. With due respect, I request our Honorable President, Mr. Avrin Lewis, to please come forward and distribute the prizes to the winners. K. Stuti Puranik, Quiz First, English Speech First, Kannada Speech First, English Essay Second. Akshar Kumar, Kannada Lyrical Song First, Kannada Speech Second. Adrika R. Acharya, Rangoli First, Folk Dance Third. Shruta Jain, Folk Dance First, Kannada Speech Third. Panchami Ajna, Kannada Essay First, English Essay Third. Anaga V. Pujari, Kannada Lyrical Song Second, Kannada Essay Second.
Manashri, folk dance second, Hindi speech third. Shiny D'Souza, Rangoli second, bouquet third. Thank you, sir. I kindly request Mrs. Prema Jatana, Principal, BM School, Bailur, to grace the occasion by distributing the prizes to the winners. Sanvi S. Kotyan, English Speech third, Craft third. Amna Kair, Craft first. Prerana, Quiz first. Sonu Meena, Hindi essay first. Aiza Zubeda, English essay first. Shagun S. Verma Hegde, drawing first. Purvi, quiz first. Sanvi, Hindi speech first. Thank you, ma'am. With great pleasure, I invite Mrs. Sharita Norona, PTA President, High School Section, to give away the prizes. Adeline, bouquet first. Sohan Praveen Shetty, English speech second. Sherina Lobo, Kannada essay second. Hanna Mariam, craft second. Avni, bouquet second. Rex Dominic D'Souza, quiz second. K. Varun Kamath, quiz second. Satvik Nayak, quiz second. Thank you, ma'am. I humbly request our respected Administrative Officer, Mr. Kiran Krasta, to kindly distribute the prizes to the winners. Aisha Minas, Hindi speech second. B. Pranavi Prabhu, folk dance second. Muhammad Ishan Akbar, Kannada lyrical song third. Tanishka N, Rangoli third. Ayushi M. Acharya, drawing third. Kartika Shetty, Hindi essay third. Thank you, sir. I congratulate all the winners. I also appreciate every participant who took part with enthusiasm and confidence. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Amidst us, we have the great personality, Mr. Anand Pujari, who is not merely a physical education teacher, but a true architect of discipline and character. Serving as the physical director at Government Primary School, Kolakke, Irvattur, his dedication, passion, and tireless commitment have shaped young minds and healthy bodies. His recognition as the district level best physical education teacher is a well-deserved honor that reflects his excellence, integrity, and service to the field of education. We are fortunate to have with us today. Now, I request Sir to address the gathering.
ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮದೇನಿದ್ರು ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವನಾ? ಒಂದು PT ಪ್ರೇಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ? ಇರಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನಗು ಮತ್ತು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಇದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಂತೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆದು, ಒಂದು ನಗುವಿದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು 1 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಲ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ? 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಎದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಎದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೂತು ಸಾಕಾಗಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಮರ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು. ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಮರ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಲುಗಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಅಲುಗಾಡಿಸುವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು. ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲುಗಾಡಿದ ಒಂದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಈಚೆ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಹೊಡೀರಿ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಖರ್ಚಿಪ್ ಉಂಟು. ನಾನೀಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಜೋರು ನಗಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಎಸ್, ರೆಡಿ? ನಗಬೇಕು, ನಗಾಡಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್, ನಗಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಈಗ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖದೆಲ್ಲ ನಗು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇರಲಿ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಘಟಾನುಘಟಿ ಗಣ್ಯರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಎದುರು ನಾನೇನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯವರು ಅವೆಲಿನ್ ಲೂಯಿಸ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರಮ ವಹಿಸಿದವರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು BM ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅವರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡಬೆಟ್ಟು ಮಾಳದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯವರು, ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು, ಉಪ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹನೀಯರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಪುಣ್ಯಾತ್ಮರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾರ್ಕಳದ ದಾನಶೂರ ಕರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲಾಕ್ಷ ಕಾಮತ್ರವರು. ಕಾರ್ಕಳದ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಿದವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲಾಕ್ಷ ನಾಯಕರವರು. ಬಹಳ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಕಮಲಾಕ್ಷ ನಾಯಕರವರಿಗೆ. ಅಂಥ ಪುಣ್ಯಾತ್ಮರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೇಜನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತಸದ ವಿಷಯ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯಾತ್ಮರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡುವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸರಾಗಬೇಕು, ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟಾ? ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ನಮಗೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದಂಡೆತ್ತಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಖಂಡಿತ. ಅದು ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅಂಥ ನಾಯಕರ ಕೆಲವು ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಕೇವಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾಗಬೇಕು, ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ TV ಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡದ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೀತಾ ಉಂಟು. ನಿಜವಾಗದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲ, ಅಹಿತಕರ ಘಟನೆಗಳು, ಅಹಿತಕರ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳು ನಡೀತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಅದು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವುದು, ನಾವು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾಗುವುದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಏನು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ನೀವಿನ್ನು ಮಹಾನ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಯಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ ನೀವು ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸಮಾಜದ ಉತ್ತಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಹೊಂದಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೇಳೋದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಅಹಿತಕರ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ನಡೀತಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾವು ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲವು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಜೋರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಜೋರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನೇನೋ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೆಲವು ಅನಾಹುತಗಳು ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಜೋರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಂತ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಗುರುಗಳು ಜೋರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಂತ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಮರ್ಥಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಕೆಲವರು ಜೀವನೇ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡದ್ದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಕೂಡ ಉಂಟು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬದುಕ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಥ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಥವಾ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತೊಂದರೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಉಂಟು ಇನ್ನು, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಲಿ. ನಾವು ದೇವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜೀವಜಂತುಗಳಿವೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದ ಜನ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಜನ್ಮ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಾದದ್ದು ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ? ಈ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕಮಲಾಕ್ಷ ನಾಯಕರಂತಹ ಮಹಾನ್ ದಾನಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಉನ್ನತವಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಡೀಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮರೆತುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು. ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ನೀಡುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಗಡಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಇರುವತ್ತೂರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಉಂಟು, ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಉನ್ನತ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮಿಂಚಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಶಗುನ್ ಅಂತ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಆಟಗಾರ್ತಿ ಚೀನಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಾಲೂಕಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ನಮಗಂತೂ ಭಾಳ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದದ್ದು. ಅವರ ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ತರಬೇತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಶೈನಿ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟು ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಶೈನಿ. ನಾನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಕ್ಕೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ, ನನ್ನ ತಂಡ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ನ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ತಂಡ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವರ ತಂಡ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವರ ತಂಡದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು 25-30 ಜನ ಪೋಷಕರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ನನಗೆ. ಆ ಪೋಷಕರು ಬಂದು ಅವರು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಅಂಥ ಪೋಷಕರು ಕೂಡ, ಆ ಸರ್ರದೈ ಪೋಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your wise words with us. Education is the strongest foundation upon which a nation's future is built. At Christ King, we believe that every student possesses unique potential. Along with the academic excellence, we encourage our students to grow as lifelong learners, critical thinkers, and responsible global citizens. By nurturing their talents and skills, we empower them to shine. Let us now proudly bestow the winners of grade 10th in various cultural competitions. May I request Mrs. Rekha Santosh to kindly read out the prize winners list of grade 10th. I also request all the students to give a big round of applause to cheer up all the prize winners.
Good morning everybody. Cultural prize winners list of 10th standard are as follows. I request Mr. Anand Pujari to give away the prizes. Sanvi Matis, English speech 2nd, Kannada speech 2nd, quiz 2nd, bouquet 3rd. Lenisha Mendonça, Hindi speech 1st, English speech 1st. Tissa Alfonso, essay first, okay first. Dhanvi Shetty, Rangoli first, Hindi speech second. Vishon Saldana, Kannada speech first, English speech third. Gautami, folk dance first, Kannada essay third. Aislinn Mendonça, quiz first, drawing third. Trusha R. Shetty, Rangoli second, folk dance second. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Prakash Bhatt to honor the winners. Zubaida, English essay second, quiz second. Slania Naranha, quiz second, Kannada lyrical song third. Sampriti Salian, Kannada essay second, Rangoli third. Jia Sinara, Kannada speech third, English essay third. Sakshi M. Nayak, Rangoli third, craft third. Shrisha Prabhu, Kannada lyrical song first. Anisha D'Souza, English essay first. Rafia Banu, craft first. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Rudolph Kishore Lobo to give away the prizes to the winners. Neha, Hindi essay first. Abhishek Kotian, drawing first. Sanvi Shetty, quiz first. Tejaswini Pujari, quiz first. Aisha Ruba, drawing second. Rifaz, Hindi essay second. Durga Devi, craft second. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mrs. Josna Snehalata to give away the prizes. Sarah Hayat, bouquet second. Kavana Mulya, Kannada lyrical song second. Shahnum Fatima, Hindi speech third. Bibi Zoya, Hindi essay third. Shri Raksha, folk dance third. Apurva, folk dance third. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats, my dear students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Every gathering is enriched by the words of wisdom from great minds. We are deeply honored and privileged to have with us today Mrs. Prema Jattanna, the esteemed principal of BEM School Bailur. Madam's vision, leadership, and dedication to education have inspired countless students and educators alike. It is now with great respect that I now invite Madam to address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಸಮಾರಂಭ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿಯವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನವರು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದವರು. ನಾನು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, ಅವರು ಆಗಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರು. ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿಯವರ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿಯವರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇವತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಕಮಲಾಕ್ಷ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರ ವಿಷಯ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ, ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಭಾವತಿ ಟೀಚರ್, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಟೀಚರ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಹಲವು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅವರು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಹಳ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನವರು ಆನಂದ ಪೂಜಾರಿಯವರೇ. ಹಾಗೆ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯಿನಿಯವರನ್ನು ಮರೆತು ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯಿನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ದಿನದ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 7ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪಾಸಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ಇದೆರಡು ಶಾಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು 2 ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರದವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಬರೋದು ಯಾಕೆ, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಕಳಿಸೋದು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೆವು ಒಂದು ಚುಟುಕಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು MJCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತದ್ದು, ಮಣಿಪಾಲ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಕೋ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದಾಗಿರ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಸಮಯ. ನಮಗೆ ದಿನಾಲು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿದ್ದು. ಹೋಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಗುದ್ದಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟಂತ ಜಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಗುದ್ದಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಧವ ಪೈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ಪೈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಬಡವರು, ನಾವು ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಗುದ್ದಿದವರು ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಉದಯವಾಣಿ ಪೇಪರ್, ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಪಿರಿಯಡ್. ಉದಯವಾಣಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಿರಿಯಡ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಹೊಲಿಬೇಕು. ಆನಂತರ 2 ಪಿರಿಯಡ್ ಮೋರಲ್, 2 ಪಿರಿಯಡ್ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲ ಪಾಠ, ಜೀವನದ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ, ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಾಗ ಕಲಿಯುವಾಗ SLC ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 11 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, 11th. ಈಗ 10th SLC ಮುಗೀತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ದೇವರ ಭಯವೇ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮೂಲ, ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ದೇವರ ಭಯಭಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ದೇವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೈ ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲಿಯಿಕೆಗೆ ದೇವರ ಭಯಭಕ್ತಿ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಶಯ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ತಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಂದಲೂ ಕದ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ. ಈ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯ. ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ನೆನೆಸ್ತದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಜನೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಆದರೆ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮದು ಬೇರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂದೂಗಳ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಲು ಭಜನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗೀಗ ಭಜನೆಯೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಭಜನೆ ಹೋಗಿಯೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಖಾಲಿ TV, ಮೂರ್ಖರ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರು ಕೂತು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಂತ ಉಂಟು, ಎಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸೀರಿಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು, 1ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಹ ಪಟ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿವರಣೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 1ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಲ್ಲೀನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಹದಿಹರೆಯದ ಪ್ರಾಯ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಯ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸುವಂಥ ಕಾಲ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಷಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಕೆಡಕಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರಾಗಬೇಕು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ರೂಪುರೇಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕೆಂಬುದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅರಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಾನೆತ್ತರಕ್ಕೇರಿದ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಯಾರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರು? ಹೌದು, ಕನಸು ಕಾಣಿರಿ, ಆ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನೆನಸು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದು ಗುರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುವ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಎಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ನೋಡಿ, ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯುವ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು? ಸತ್ಯವೇ ದೇವರು, ದೇವರೇ ಸತ್ಯ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿದರು, ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರು? ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜನ, ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಉಂಟಂತೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ಚಹಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಈಗ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು ನಾನು ಕುರಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಜಿಯವರು, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಜಿಯವರು, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು? ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೊಳೆ ಈಜಲಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು, ದಾಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು, ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಳೆಯನ್ನು ದಾಟಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರು ತುಂಬ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರಾಗಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮೇಲು ಕೀಳೆಂಬ ಭಾವನೆ ಬರ್ತದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು, ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ನೀವೀಗ ಇಡೀ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಜಾತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನಾಡುವವರು, ವಿವಿಧ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಧರಿಸುವವರು, ವಿವಿಧ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮನೆಯವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು, ನೀವು ಶಾಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಭಾರತೀಯರು. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಭಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಭಯಪಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಈಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಂದರೆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನ ಈಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಂದೂ ಮರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೊಂದು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಷಯ. ಈಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೌದು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹೌದು, ಹುಡುಗರು. ನೀವಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತನಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನನಗೇನು ಉಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ನೀವು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಎಂಥ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಬೇಕು. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಸಂಘ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹುಡುಗನ ಸಂಘ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಂದಲೇ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದು ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬೇಡ. ನೀವು ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಏನೇನೋ ಉಂಟು, ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮರೆತು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾಗೋಣ. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಬೇಕು. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ತಾವು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವವರು, ತಮ್ಮ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅವರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವರು ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಆಚೀಚೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳೋದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅನುಭವ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನಿಜ ಅನುಭವ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನೀವು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಲೀರಿ, ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಯೋಗವಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲೀರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಸಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದ್ದರು. ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತೀರಿ ಹೋದರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಆಗ ನನಗೆ ಲೋಕವೇ ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿದ ವಿದ್ಯೆ, ಆ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಿಗೆಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಈ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉತ್ತರೋತ್ತರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಬೇಕು. ಉತ್ತಮ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಪಡಿಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಕಲಿತ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆತ್ತ ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ನೀವು ಹೆತ್ತ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ, ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೆತ್ತ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಬಡ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಗ ಅವರ ಅನುಕೂಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏಕತೆಗೆ ಆ ಮುದುಕ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಅಡ್ಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ? ವೃದ್ಧಾಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಠಿಣ ಹೃದಯದವರು ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ, ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ, ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾಗಿರಿ. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರೋತ್ತರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಏಳಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತರೋತ್ತರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪಸರಿಸಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾಗಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ್ಯ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ, ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸದಾಕಾಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆ ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿ, ಶಾಲೆಗಾಗಿಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Success is born from dedication, perseverance, and selfless service. Today, we have with us a person who embodies these values, whose tireless efforts have shaped countless lives. It's none other than our proud counselor, Dr. Sister Charlotte Siqueira. I request Sister to address the gathering.
Dear friends, I am fully aware that your span of listening is out, but still I see all of you trying your level best to keep calm, pay attention, learn something very nice. For all these big good qualities that you have learned in this institution, I must stand here to congratulate you. I congratulate not only the winners of the day where we saw so many were coming. What about the rest? Every one of you need to be congratulated today, because if you did not participate in that particular item, others would not have got. So tap at your back and say congratulations to each one of you who participated in any item, any activity that was done in this institution. Now, today is a day for rejoicing. We should be very, very, very happy today. Why? I am standing here and seeing our dear students of 10th standard. What I am feeling is your feeling. I am sure you are thinking next year when these kind of programs are held, I also want to get a state rank, a distinction, if not at least high percentage like 100s in Kannada, 125 in Kannada, 100s in English, 100 in maths, all your dreams. Ma'am already said, Abdul Kalam said, dream, dream, dream till you reach your destination. So now, dear students, I wish and pray God that every one of your desire set deep in your heart may be successful, fruitful. Now do not worry. In case you did not get that 100%, you have many, many opportunities. Those who got 99% also, 98% also. Why? Because every one of you have so much of potential. those who did not get 100%, if I tell them now go to the moon and come down, you will surely climb up because you have such a lot of potential energy. So don't worry, there are still more days to come, and every day is very precious. Make use of these days, search for your own talents and become one of the successful person. I, along with the dignitaries on the days, and very specially for the first time I saw here after I came, our secretary of this Christ King institution is the president, as well as the chief guest, headmistress, and all the faculty members, staff members of the high school section of this Christ King institution. I have seen them day in and day out, struggling along with you dear students to bring you up in a right manner. I congratulate all the staff and also the management and every guest of honor present here. Thank you. God bless you. May God continue to remain with us and in this institution.
Thank you, sister, for your blessings. Every small effort you make today is a seed for tomorrow's success. As we convey our heartfelt gratitude and pay tribute to the esteemed presence of our dignitaries, we present these mementos as a symbol of our request and heartfelt affection. Now, I humbly request our President of the function, Mr. Evelyn Lewis, to offer the memento to the chief guest of the day, Mr. K. Kamalaksha Kamath, Chartered Accountant, Karkala. Guest of honor, Mrs. Prabhavati, Headmistress, Government Primary School, Kodabettu Mala. Guest of honor, Mr. Anand Pujari, District Level Best Physical Education Teacher Awardee. Guest of honor, Mrs. Prema Jatanna, Principal of BEM School, Bailu. Thank you, sir, for offering the mementos. As Helen Keller once wisely said, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Today's event is a beautiful example what we have achieved together. As we draw curtains on this memorable day, now I call upon Mrs. Mangala, Assistant Teacher, to propose vote of thanks.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. A pleasant morning to all. With immense pleasure and deep gratitude, I consider it a great honor to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable day. First, I would like to extend my sincere and heartfelt gratitude to the respected President, Mr. Evelyn Lewis, Secretary, Christ King Education Trust, for his constant encouragement and guidance. Thank you, sir. I express my special thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. K. Kamalaksha Kamath, Chartered Accountant, Karkala, for his inspiring words that have truly motivated us. Thank you, sir. I extend a respectful gratitude to the guest of honor, Mrs. Prema Chatanna, Principal, BEM School, Bailuru, for her gracious words. Thank you, ma'am. I express my heartfelt thanks to our guest, Mrs. Prabhavati, Headmistress, Government Primary School, Kodabettu Mala, for her valuable guidance. Thank you, ma'am. I extend a profound gratitude to the guest, Mr. Anand Pujari, District Level Best Physical Education Teacher Award winner, Government Primary School, Irvatturu, for inspiration and adding dignity for this occasion. Thank you, sir. I convey my special gratitude to heads of the institutions, Dr. Prakash Bhatt, Vice Principal College Section, Mrs. Josna Snehalata, Headmistress High School Section, Mr. Rudolph Kishore Lobo, Headmaster Primary Section, Dr. Sister Shalit Siquera, Counselor, Mr. Kiran Krasta, Administrative Officer, for their compassionate support and commitment towards our institution. Thank you all. A warm note of appreciation to our PTA President, Mrs. Sharita Norana, for her continuous support. Thank you, ma'am. With deep reverence and gratitude, I thank all my colleagues and my dear students for their endless, tireless effort. A special thanks to all the parents, PTA members, Reshma Sounds, Live Digital Studio, Swayam Times Karkala, and one and all present here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Every journey reaches its destination and every path comes to a pause. As we conclude today's formal program, may the achievements we celebrate serve as stepping stones toward even greater success in the future. With the formal proceedings of today's event now concluded, on behalf of whole Christ King family, I thank each one of you present here having paid an attentive ear through all the proceedings. Have a pleasant time. Thank you, one and all.
ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆ. ದಾಖಲಾತಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ.